Question number 1. Positive charge Q1, 2.5 exponent minus 5 coulomb, fixed to origin coordinate, and a negative charge Q2 minus 5 exponent minus 6 coulomb, fixed exists at 2 meter. So if you draw the diagram, the position of the charge, let's say this is origin, and this is position of the Q1, and we have a distance 2 meter, and this is position of the Q2. Find the location that the place along the x-axis where the electric field due these two charges is equal to 0. So meaning the position at the x-axis, the electric field E is equal to 0, because this is a positive charge and this is a negative charge, meaning you have a positive, the direction of electric field is outward, and this is a negative, meaning the direction of the electric field to inward. Right now, if you have the two electric field, E produced by the Q1 and the E produced by the Q2, so at the position, let's say this is position, let's say is P, right? And this is, let's say the distance here is a X, right? So now at the position P, the E1 is equal to E2. So now at the point P here, you have a two electric field X on the point P, where the produced by the first is E2, because direction to the negative, and we have another E is produced by the Q1, direction to the right. This is E1, right? So the next E or electric field at the point E here is come from the E1 and E2 in with the opposite direction here. So now to calculate because at the position P, E net is equal to 0, meaning the E1 is equal to E2 at the point P. So the E1 or equation for electric field is equal to K Q1 over R, this is for R1, and the E2 is K Q2 over R2. So now you can use the value of the K is constant, right? And the value of the Q1 is a 2.5 exponent minus 5, and the Q2 is a 5 exponent minus 6, and the R1, the distance R1 from the origin to the P is let's say this is R1 is X, right? And the R2 here, the R2 is a distance from P or Q2 to the P point P. This is a X minus 2. So this is the distance here. This is X minus 2, right? 2 meter. So now if you use the calculation here, because K is constant, so now you can find the value of the X. If you use the calculator, the X is a 1.62 meter. Thank you.